Hello kiddos. Today let's learn capital ABCD using only two colors. But before this, please share, subscribe and like my channel.
Yellow color, brown color, A for ant, B for ball, C for cockroach, D for diary, E for eggplant, F for frog, G for grass, H for horse, I for ink pot, J for joker, K for knife, L for lotus, M for money, N for nest, O for ostrich, P for penguin, Q for queen, R for rat, S for sunflower, T for tomato, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for x-ray, Y for hatchet, Z for zero. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.